Recently, I've been doing a little bit of work on React applications, and I've discovered something called Expo. And what this is a way of building React applications and then converting them for like iOS devices for the web, that sort of thing. Because my computer's brand new, in a previous video I set up Brew. Today I want to set up Expo. So here I've got the installation requirements for Expo. So I can see that I need Node, GitHub and Watchman. Git is already installed, but not necessarily the latest version. If I go to Node, just to find out what the latest version is, so it's version 16, and Watchman, we can see it's just installing Watchman, which is easy. So let's install these requirements, and then we can install Expo. So brew install Watchman. I'm going to install Git because the version with macOS is not necessarily the latest version. And I also want, I can never remember if it was Node or Node.js at version 16. Okay, it looks like it was Node. And that's just going to go away and download all the bits and pieces, the dependencies, install them, and then I can just install Expo and get going. What Node will also install is something called npm, and that's a Node package manager. So it's kind of like Brew, but for Node dependencies for projects. What else did it want? It wanted the Visual Studio code editor, and it also wanted Yarn, which I forgot to put in there. So when that's done, I'll install Yarn as well. You can see Watchman has been installed, so has Git. Let's double check. So we definitely want Node to be in the path, which that command will do. Brew install Yarn. Brilliant. That is done. What else do we need? To install Expo, all we need to do is follow this npm command install, and -g or -global or --global will make it available to everyone. Oh, forgot to source that file. If you don't rerun the .zhsrc file, then any updates won't be run. You'd either have to source it or open a new tab for it to work. So if we go back to where we were, we can then just create an example project and just double check everything works. I always get weirded out by npm throwing these deprecation warnings. There doesn't seem to be anything I can do other than tell the package managers that they need to upgrade. But I'm sure they're well aware of this. Let's just create a new project and see what happens. Let's choose the tabs TypeScript example, just so we have something that we can say that works. Now it's installing more dependencies for the project. Hopefully this should be quicker. So let's get it started. Yarn start, couldn't find, of course not. I'm not in the right project, I'm not in the right directory. Let's see, what was it, my project? And then if we try yarn start, and press W to open a web browser. There you go. It's very simple. And now I can carry on developing my Expo project. I hope this has helped. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.